Okay, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, today we have a privilege.
We got our lesson today in the evening, okay?
Yes.
Today is the 9th, 2023, 2025, sorry.
That is an attentive. Dennis is attentive.
Yeah.
Let me give you the list. I hope you will mark. And you give me at the end of our lesson. Okay?
Yes.
And before we proceed, mark the list. Then mark for Alex. And confirm she is not around. And today we are just going to discuss on
Execution of site preliminary. And our topic today, we are going to learn about site clearance. And I hope it is not our first time today as we learn about the site clearance, where we only occur this in our site, we must clear. And in our learning outcomes, these are the learning outcomes we must, at the end of the lesson, we should be able to, and today we have two learning outcomes. That is, we have the definition, we must define the term, the term, the first term, we have site boundary, the second one, we have site clearance, and also we should be able to identify the methods used during site clearance. And it will be the end of our lesson after we learn about these two learning outcomes. And the first, let's define about site boundary. Yes, and then the site clearance.
and I'll use a chalk. I just give you this chalk. You pass to your friend. You make a triangle on side boundary and side clearance.
Okay, site boundary
Yes.
is the limit that divides the extent of a construction site or property.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, site clearance
Yes.
is the process of removing all unwanted materials, vegetation, debris, and obstacles from a construction site.
Yes, that's it. Yes. Can we make a try?
Site boundary
Yes.
is a temporary marking
Yes.
that portray the site layout plan.
Yes, that's good. Kindly let's clap for ourselves. That's nice. Boundary, this is the permanent edge mark. Which is placed at the boundaries. At the boundaries of the site to allow identification. While the site clearance still involves the clear up of debris or vegetation available on the site before construction begins.
begins. And after we done, I hope we just complete on the discussion, and let's go to the next. The next, and then now it comes that is to identify the method of site. Methods used to during site clearance, and in this method, I have a chart to enable you to confirm it. Let me catch Nicholas. Let me also catch it. I want to before we just confirm on our method of clearance, we just have to note down these are methods of site clearance. We have that is 3 which are commonly tested in exam. I just need to mechanical, and there is manual, and there is chemical. Okay, and I just need we go in details where this go and read it so that you identify, but be aware that it is mentioned tested in your exam. Okay, and let's take a and confirm what method of site clearance. And in this we have the first one is a burning. Nicholas, you can make a recap.
Control plans grant workers the ability to clear land very quickly.
Okay, yes.
It's best for large rural areas.
Yes. And then Elvis, read for us the mechanical.
Mechanical clearance, a
Yes.
common clearance technique, particularly in a large-scale project. It utilizes heavy machines for digging and removal of trees and rocks. Bulldozers, cranes, excavators, those are the examples.
Yes, and the bulldozers are the heavy machines which are made and used to clean up the debris and the vegetation. And we just come to chemical clearance. There's Dennis, read for us.
Under chemical clearance, this involves use of herbicides and chemical treatment used to kill stubborn vegetation.
Yes, this includes the use of an example Roundup. I hope in our homes we use the chemical clearance majorly. The fourth one, Nicholas, can they come up for us?
Manual clearance, used for handling success, machetes and hoes.
Yes.
Used for small or moderately overgrown sites.
Yes.
Suitable for light vegetation.
Light vegetation, because these can be able to break up, and it can be use of a more and heavy time during use. Okay. An example for this is a hoe, and others is an axe. And we just go in the day for a blasting. I hope everyone, have you ever heard about blasting?
Yes.
Yes. Blasting is used for, let's research. Used for explosive to remove rocks and used for healing rock in the rates. This is a use of a grenade. I know everyone has heard about it. Nicholas, have you heard about it? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, that's the blasting. And let me complete by giving you a follow-up activity. And I want you to post that in your input folder. I will check these are 10 marks. Outline the factors to consider during site clearance. That is 10 marks. Write it down and post to me. And during our session, I just need you write, as you review our topic, you write what you have learned and give me so that it can be an exit ticket for you. Okay? And I will give this chart for class rep so that you can move it somewhere for easy studying, and the content check. Wesley, give me an exit ticket as you go out. Class rep, and give me your register. That's nice. That's nice. Yes, that's nice. That's nice. Class rep, I just come in. I just need to give you the chart so that you can learn somewhere. Mold it on that part. Here is something. You mold it, and then you ensure that that assignment has been given in time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.